Everyone. Today we're going to talk about the MIT Bat Bank application. This is a simple React application where we can create an account, we can log in, we can deposit and withdraw some money, and see everyone's data, hence the name of the application. If you want to learn more about it, you can click on the button right there, and you can see all the technologies that I'm using, technologies and libraries, right? And the functionalities that are currently available. If you want to see my source code, it's on my GitHub, and we can talk about it later. Today we're going to talk about the Bat Bank application from the MIT Bootcamp. So this is a simple React application where we are capable of creating an account, deposit, and return some money, and seeing everyone's data. Hence the name of the application. If you want to learn more about BatBank, you can click in here and see the technologies and libraries that I use for this project and the functionalities that are available. Okay, so let's create an account. It's a simple form. For this, I use Bootstrap to create a card. I made it a pop-up. I use job schema validations and Formic for the values. And you can see a little bit more about it in here under my pop-ups, registering, and this is my schema. Here's my Formic values and all the logic behind it. So let's create an account. I'm going to choose the avatar one. We're going to change that later. We're going to test this out. Able.mit.edu. I'm going to create a super secret password. It's not going to let me go through because we need 8 characters for the password. So there it is. And if for some reason I don't match the passwords, then it's going to throw an error. So let's put another secret password. Secret123. Oops, secret. I think that's the one. And because this email is already in use, it's not going to let us through. There you go, email already in use. So let's use a test account, right? Registering, successful user registration, and I don't want to add another account. Actually, click on yes, sorry for that. Let's log in, and we're gonna test the validations right now. So let's log in, user does not exist. That's my other account, my bad. Let's use test, this one exists, but the password is incorrect. So let's do the correct password. And there you go. So after login, you get into your account, which is just my account, right? And you have the capability to change all of that information. And let's change it to this one. Now this guy. You have the transactions list and a little chart that we can talk about it in a bit. Let's make a deposit, right? Okay, $100. Let's make another one. If for some reason I input some strings that are not like actual numbers, it's not going to let me. And all the amounts should be greater than 0. So if I put a negative number or a 0, it's not going to let me go through. Okay, so let's put $155 right there. Now that's my balance. I go back to here. I see my transactions list, the type deposit, and this is taking into account like the total amount of those deposits. Now let's make some withdrawals. So let's do 50. Let's make another 50, 50. And what if I do more than the balance that I have available? It's going to tell me sufficient funds, so it's not going to let me go through. And same validations apply for this one. It's more, okay? And the same. All right, so let's keep going. Let's make another one. And there you go. So now you have the list of transactions. You can see a little bit more of the details of your snapshot, right? So now if I go back to all the data, I have this, okay? And all of this is possible by using the context API from React, and we can see it in here. Go back here, and this is the data that I'm sharing as for now, right? This is the logged in user and the user collection, right? And we have these 2 users right here. So all of this is being updated, and I have my transaction history, which is an actual array of objects in. so on, right? In regards to the design, um, I use Bootstrap and Material UI because I really love that library. Um, what are the challenges working with different libraries and frameworks and packages? It's pretty challenging, such as forming it up, making it work together, and using some Material UI's tables, and mainly that little chart right there. I had to do a couple of things before making it to work, right? Get current day, get totals, and so on and so forth. Um, yeah, that's pretty much about it. This is my Batbank application. Hope you guys like it.